Hey Skin Bees! Welcome back to our channel. I'm your host Eva.
And I'm Emily.
And today we will be doing an ASMR on the newly launched products, that is
Haru Haru Wonder products.
So let's get started.
So cute.
Texture of it.
Moving on to the next one, this is the Black Bamboo Mist by Haru Haru. Let's open it.
Next up, we have the Black Rice Hyaluronic Cream. Wow, it looks like a soap. Let's open it.
The next one is the Black Rice Moisture Cleansing Gel.
Wow, I love the color.
Yeah, the color is so pretty.
Yeah. It's gel. Okay, next up we have the Black Rice Serum. So good.
The Black Rice Hyaluronic Acid Toner. Sounds interesting. One eternity later. No fragrance at all.
Super hydrating. Next up we have the Black Rice Facial Oil.
Very hydrating.
Super. So that's it for now. So that was our newly launched products, that is the Haru Haru Wonder. It will be available on our sites. Also, for more contents, stay tuned. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.
사랑해.
사랑해요.